Welcome to the north of Europe and my home country, Sweden. Today we have this kind of lovely Swedish Nordic winter weather. Today it's kind of special. Me and my very good friend Daniel, we will be tracking some vocals, and after the session I will show you how I apply compression to vocals in just seconds. So make sure to check this out. Welcome back everyone. Today you're gonna learn how to set up a compressor for vocals, and I will show you how to set up a good sounding compressor in just seconds. So make sure to check this out. If you want to set up this compression chain on your own, you need three different things. The first one is a vocal recording, the second one is an auxiliary track, and the third one is a good sounding compressor. And this technique is called parallel compression. You send a copy of the vocal to an auxiliary track, and that's where you just crashes the dynamic out of the vocal, and you have real aggressive settings on the compressor. And then you have two different signals, the uncompressed and the compressed signal, and then you start to mix and try to find the sweet spot in between the uncompressed and the compressed signal. And I really like this way of working with compression. You still have the transients and the vocals, but you also get this kind of aggressive and colorful compression.
Hello summer, come together like never before. Yes, this summer, let's have it better than ever before. And it starts with you. Hello summer. Hello summer, come together like never before. Yes, this summer, let's have it better than ever before. And it starts with you. Hello summer.
So, that was everything for today. I really hope that you learned something new. See you in the next video. Bye.